Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Chrome and preparing your phone. Open the App Store, download Google Chrome, and sign in. Once done, make sure iOS is updated to at least 14 so the system supports changing defaults. You should also sync bookmarks and passwords to Chrome now, because switching defaults won't transfer local Safari data. Close Safari tabs you want to keep or save URLs. This prevents accidental loss. Now that Chrome is ready and your data is backed up, proceed to change the default. Next, change the default browser through settings so links open in Chrome automatically. Open Settings, scroll to find Chrome in the app list, then tap Default Browser App. Select Chrome, you'll see a check mark confirming the change. If Chrome isn't listed, ensure it's installed and relaunch settings. Once selected, test using Mail or Messages by tapping a web link. It should open in Chrome. If it does, your switch is complete. If not, repeat the selection and relaunch both apps to apply the change. Finish by configuring Chrome's internal settings. Set your preferred search engine, homepage behavior, and ensure sync is active so history and passwords follow you. Make sure apps like Mail are updated, because outdated apps can keep using Safari. If links continue to open in Safari, restart your iPhone and revisit settings to reselect Chrome as default browser app. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Chrome. This forces the system to re-register it. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.